Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these adhesive patches. So they do come with 3 different ones. This one is like a light gray. It has like a cloth feel to them. This one is a darker gray. As you can see on the back is the sticker part. And then this is a light tan color. So they're actually really pretty. I actually don't have anything that matches these, but what I actually want to do with them is I want to create like a DIY, and you can put these like in the back of a picture frame and then add like little pictures throughout it, and I think it look really cute. But they are stickers, as you can see. So if you have a hole in your couch or anything, you can cut a little piece of this off and go right around that area. That's what it's originally made for. But me being me, I like to do a lot of DIYs and stuff. So when I seen this, I was like, oh, this is gonna be perfect to do a DIY with. But as you can see, that's what it looks like. It's just like extremely sticky. It's a huge sticker, but you can kind of just like map out what area that you need, like if you had a little hole in your couch or something, and then just put this over it. If you had a larger hole, you can also, like, this is pretty big. It's about the size of like the bigger pictures. I can't think of what the size is. Let me see if it says on here. 8 by 11. So it's fine linen repair patch. So that's pretty cool. I do like that they have the different colors. This is probably closest to my couch because I do have a darker, but it's not the same material. My couch is like a fluffy dark gray. But yeah, so you can use these for your furniture, whatever you want, or you can use them for DIYs. I think that it'll make a great DIY. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, God bless.